Chapter 12. Stock Exchange. Question 1. A. Select the correct option, and rewrite the sentences. 1. A stock exchange is a place where stockbrokers and traders can buy and sell, dash. The options are A. Gold, B. Securities, C. Goods. And the correct option is B. Securities. 2. The dash is the first stock exchange to be recognized by the Indian government under the Securities Contracts Regulation Act. The options are A. BSE, B. NSE, C. OTCEI. And the correct option is A. BSE. 3. Dash is a dealer in stock exchange who carries on trading of securities in his own name. The options are A. Jobber, B. Broker, C. Bull. And the correct option is A. Jobber. 4. A dash who expects fall in price of a security. The options are A. Bull, B. Bear, C. Jobber. And the correct option is B. Bear. 5. The practice of buying and selling within the same trading day before the close of the market on that day is called dash. The options are A. Insider trading, B. Day trading, C. Auction. And the correct option is B. Day trading. Question 1. B. Match the pairs. Students are advised to read the question. Answer. A. SYJC. 4. To protect the interest of investors in securities market. B. Day trading. 3. Buying and selling of securities within the same trading day. C. Bull. 1. Expects the price of shares to rise in future. D. Bear. 2. Expects the price of shares to fall in future. E. BSE. 6. One of the oldest stock exchanges in India. Question 1. C. Write a word, or a term, or a phrase, which can substitute each of the following statements. 1. A specific place, where trading of securities is arranged, in an organized method. And the answer is share market. 2. The first stock exchange to be recognized by the Indian government under the Securities Contracts Regulation Act. And the answer is Bombay Stock Exchange. 3. A dealer in stock exchange who carries on trading of securities in his own name. And the answer is Jobber. 4. A speculator who expects the price of shares to rise in the future. And the answer is Bull. Question 1. D. State whether the following statements are true or false. 1. A stock exchange is a reliable barometer to measure the economic condition of a country. This statement is true. 2. Bombay Stock Exchange is the oldest stock exchange in India. This statement is true. 3. A broker is a dealer in stock exchange who carries on trading of securities in his own name. This statement is false. 4. Bear is a speculator who expects the prices of shares to rise in the future. This statement is false. Question 1. F. Complete the sentences. 1. The oldest stock exchange in India is the dash. And the answer is Bombay Stock Exchange. 2. The largest and most modern stock exchange in India is the dash. And the answer is National Stock Exchange. 3. A person who buys or sells shares on behalf of his clients is called as dash. And the answer is broker. 4. A speculator who expects fall in prices of shares dash. And the answer is bear. Question 1. G. Select the correct option from the bracket. London Stock Exchange, index of NSE, SEBI, trades in securities in his own name. A. Regulator of capital market. The correct option is SEBI. B. Nifty. The correct option is index of NSE. C. Jobber. The correct option is trades in securities in his own name. D. Oldest stock exchange in the world. The correct option is London Stock Exchange. Question 1. H. Answer in one sentence. 1. What is stock exchange? Answer. Stock exchange refers to a specific marketplace where various types of financial securities issued by companies are bought and sold. 2. Who is broker? Answer. Broker is a member of the stock exchange and has got a license to trade in securities on behalf of his clients. 3. Who is jobber? Answer. A jobber is a professional independent speculator who deals in securities on his own behalf. 4. Who is bull? Answer. A bull is a speculator who expects the price of a particular share to rise in future, and he goes on buying shares in expectation of selling them at higher prices later. 5. Who is bear? Answer. A bear is a speculator who expects the price of a particular share to fall in future, and he goes on selling securities at the prevailing prices to avoid loss. 6. Who is lame duck? Answer. Lame ducks are bear brokers expecting decline in prices who ultimately sell the securities at a loss by making wrong moves. 7. What is trading ring? Answer. The specific floor of stock exchange where the trading or auction of shares takes place is known as trading ring. 8. What is Sensex? Answer. The sensitive index of the Bombay Stock Exchange, which represents increase or decrease in prices of selected 30 largest and actively traded stocks of listed companies, is called Sensex. 9. What is rally? Answer. If the Sensex, or Nifty, moves in upward direction continuously for 14 to 20 trading sessions, it is called as rally. 10. What is crash? Answer. If the Sensex, or Nifty, moves in downward direction, it is called as a crash. Question 1. I. Correct the underlined word, or words, and rewrite the following sentences. 1. One of the functions of SEBI is to protect the interest of issuers of securities in the securities market. Answer. One of the functions of SEBI is to protect the interest of investors in the securities market. 2. A broker cannot directly deal with investors. Answer. A jobber cannot directly deal with investors. 3. A bear expects the prices of shares to rise in future. Answer. A bull expects the prices of shares to rise in future. 4. A bull buys new issues of securities from primary market. Answer. A stag buys new issues of securities from primary market. 5. A stock market is an important constituent of money market. Answer. A stock market is an important constituent of capital market.